Custom Lighting were on board with this project. They've been a long-term supplier to Canny, and they've donated all of the bathroom lighting and all of the ceiling lights throughout the apartment. Neff, in conjunction with Michael's Appliance Centre in Brighton, supplied us with our electric cooktops and our ovens. They've just been installed today, so they look fantastic in the kitchens. In the bathrooms, we're using sanitary ware which has been supplied from Reece Bathroom Life in Armidale, and Shane at Reece has been an enormous help. He came out here and met us on site and we ran through everything. We've got basins, showers, taps, sinks also for the kitchen and kitchen mixers. Laminex have supplied all of the whiteboard and all of the laminate to do our kitchens, bathroom vanities and our bedroom robes. We've been so lucky because it was an enormous contribution, and everyone's commenting on how fresh and great it looks, so it's really good to have them on board. So we're really appreciative. Caesarstone have supplied all of the composite bench tops for each apartment. They're just in a white snow finish and they just complement the kitchen. They're really fresh, they're clean, they're really easy to maintain. We're really lucky to have them on board, and they just got installed yesterday and it's a really good result. All the door hardware has been supplied from Patella Hardware in Hawthorn. They're a preferred supplier of Canny's, so we're very happy to have them included in the project.